Hello dear students, welcome to my class. Now we are going to study module 11 from English grammar subject. In this module we will learn word dictation, opposites rhyming words, these, that, these, those, answer questions based on a picture. So let's we start. Exercise 1, word dictation. Whizzing, wrong, bench, mistake, bicycle, lawn, ice cream, vendor, swinging. Complete this chart as it is. Then next part is on vocabulary part, opposites. An opposite is a word that is completely different in meaning from another word. Let us look at a few opposites. Right, left, work, play, straight, curly, come, go. Exercise 2.1. Look at the pictures in column A and column B. Match the opposites. Ill, well, sunny, cloudy, front, back. Question, answer. Add, subtract, throw, catch. The next part is the rhyming words. Words that have the same ending sounds are called rhyming words. Rhyming words need not always be spelled in the same way. Examples: ring, sing, wing. True, shoe, move. Exercise 2.2. Color the stars with rhyming words pair in the same color. The next part is the grammar part. These, that, these, those. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with these, that, these, or those. This is a pen. Those are spoons. That is a pencil stand. These are dolls. That is a girl. Remember it, singular one, near, this is a ball, far, that is a ball. For plural, more than one, near, these are balls, far, those are balls. Exercise 3.1. Tick the pictures for which you should use these and these. Draw a star for the pictures for which you should use that and those. So we have to tick on the second picture because these are birds. Then we have to star the third picture because that is guitar. After that we have to star the fourth picture because those are butterflies. Then we have to tick on the fifth picture because this is a dog. Then we have to tick on the sixth picture because these are chocolates. Exercise 3.2. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. Give me that dress. Then second, I live in that house. Then third, those pencils belong to me. Then fourth, Maya wants this toy. Then fifth, give these gifts to your teacher. Then sixth, this picture looks beautiful. Exercise 3.3. Choose the correct options and complete the sentences. Look at those stars up in the sky. Then second, please come here and meet this boy. Then third, we can ask that teacher to help us. Then fourth, these balloons are very colorful. Then fifth, can you see those boats? Then sixth, do these books belong to Ria? Then next part is on writing part. Answer questions based on a picture. Exercise 4. Look at the picture given below. Answer the questions based on the picture. Question number 1. What is the girl on the left using to paint a picture? Answer. The girl on the left is using pens and a paintbrush to paint a picture. Question number 2. What is the girl with the paintbrush trying to paint? Answer. The girl with the paintbrush is trying to paint the sun. Question number 3. What do you think the boy is making with the clay? Answer. The boy is making pencils or crayons with the clay. Question number 4. What is the girl with the two ponytails making? Answer. The girl with the two ponytails is making a doll. Question number 5. Name two things that the girl is using to make the doll. Answer. The girl is using colored paper, glue and scissors to make the doll. Here it is, this module is completed. Everyone have to read it 2 times and complete the writing work in your grammar book and notebook.